Hey everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you really quickly how to print from Microsoft Word 2013 on a desktop. So I've created my document here and it looks like it's a portrait orientation, so that's kind of up and down on the piece of paper. And when I'm ready to print, all I need to do is go over to File and I can hit Print here. So the dialog box for this, it looks like there's a bunch of different options here. It's defaulted to a printer, so usually when Microsoft wants to print something, it can send to a printer to actually get a physical piece of paper, or it can send to other programs, or it can make PDFs, all sorts of things. So first thing to check is right here, and right now it's set to send to OneNote, which is a note-taking program. I don't want that. I want an actual printer. So what you want to do is, if you don't see a printer here, just select the printer that you're comfortable using. That might be at home, that might be in the computer lab at BTC, and then you're ready to go. So on the left hand side here we've got some options. We can print all the pages, so if you have multiple pages in a document you can do that. You can say only odd pages, only even pages, just print the current page, all these different options. If I even wanted to print specific pages, then it's showing me here that I can just type the numbers of the pages that I want. So if I want, say, page 1, and then I want page 5, that's how I would do that. Another option to save paper, lots of people print on both sides, but sometimes your instructor might want single-sided prints. So to change this, all you need to do is click this drop down and say print one-sided. All of these other options, you can change orientation here. Collated is just how it prints. Does it print, if you're doing multiple copies, does it print page 1 3 times, page 2 3 times, or does it go 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that? Oh, and to change the amount of copies, if you need more than one, you can type it in here. So I want 19 copies, or I can use these up and down arrows here. Paper size is different here. You can change it to, these are the British standards, and these are the letter and legal and all those sorts of things. You can change your margins, and then you can actually, this is really handy if you're just printing something to maybe read it and you don't mind small text, you can actually print 2 pages per sheet. So as you can see in the picture here, it basically makes the pages smaller so it to appear on one page. What you can also do is each printer has specific properties. So you can click on this printer properties here and it will connect to the printer and it will tell you all the different details, and you can go into much fine detail. See, you can change the size here and you can change the orientation. So a lot of the features that are in the printer are actually the default ones over here. And some of them, if you want to print in color, the options need to be done through the printing properties as opposed to just on the left hand side. So when you're all ready, all you need to do is hit print and go by your printer and it should appear for you. The last thing that I wanted to show you is how to create a PDF from your document here. Sometimes your instructors don't actually want a physical piece of paper, but they don't want a Word document, they want a PDF. So under Export here on the left hand side, you can create a PDF, and then all it is, you just press this button and then it asks you where you want to save that. And I'm already in my Stu Documents Docs, so I will publish that. And now when I go back into my folder here, I'm in my tar series. Let's go back here. Stu's folder, Documents, Docs. There's my PDF right there. And that actually belongs in the PDFs folder, so I should probably move that. So usually when you create a PDF, it'll actually open the Adobe Reader program and it'll show you what the PDF looks like. So if things look a bit weird, you can go back and change the settings or margins, whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's actually how to print and how to create a PDF out of your Word document.